System users in Augmentt can help manage or monitor client accounts that have been added to your platform. You can add as many system users as you'd like. You can also assign the system users with whatever access rights are needed. Let's take a look at a couple examples of adding different types of system users. To add system users in Augmentt, navigate to System Users on the left navigation right underneath Management, and then click Add User in the top right corner. Now, depending on which type of user you're adding, you'll want to assign different rights and privileges. So in this example, we're going to add Jack, our level 1 technician, to Augmentt. First thing that we'll do is choose how we want Jack to log in, whether it's through SSO, Augmentt username and password, or even both. For this example, we'll just stick with SSO. Next thing we'll do is choose which companies Jack has access to. I'm going to go ahead and just hit Select All. And now we can pick and choose what Jack can do in the platform. Now, out of the box, these settings are for a standard technician, so I'm just going to leave these as is. So Jack can manage, discover, engage, and secure. He can add customers. He can work on integrations, but he does not have access to any of the other management features that are available in Augmentt. So now that we've selected what Jack can do, we'll hit Create User. Now let's take a look at adding a customer. In this example, we're going to set up a customer with access to Augmentt. So once again, we'll click Add User and fill out their information. Now for Amanda's login options, we're going to go with Augmentt password. And for company selection, we're only going to select her company. And then for the permissions, we're only going to set up Amanda with access to Engage. So we're going to just disable everything else in the platform. And this way she can log into her account. She will only see that her account exists, and she'll be able to take on those basic actions and engage, like password resets and onboarding and offboarding users, without having to log into the Microsoft portal. And finally, let's add an administrator. Once again, enter their information, choose their login option. Since this is an admin, I'm going to go ahead and set them up with both SSO and the Augmentt username and password. We've already got the company selection set to all, so I will not make any changes there. And then we're going to give him full access to the entire platform, which includes billing, system users, license center, and look and feel. One thing to note is if you do give somebody access to system users, they do have the ability to change their account and add or change any additional system users. So you want to make sure that you only give this to administrators. But now that we are ready, we'll hit Create User.